Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make these juicy oven baked garlic butter chicken thighs recipe. It's a quick and easy recipe, so we're going to get started. So for this recipe you will need about 5 pieces of chicken thighs, bone in, skin on. Make sure it's nice and clean. We're going to add some oil, extra virgin olive oil. We're going to go in with our paprika seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, fine sea salt, a little bit of Italian seasoning, and if you have red pepper flakes you can add that as well to add some spice. So we're also going to add our complete seasoning, but this is optional for this recipe. Also 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, which is optional as well, and to garnish we're going to use our fresh parsley. So these are all the ingredients which we're going to use. Make sure the chicken is seasoned well. And once we're done, we're going to continue with this delicious garlic butter chicken thighs recipe. So to continue with this delicious garlic butter chicken thighs recipe, we're going to massage our chicken. Make sure each chicken pieces are fully coated into the seasoning. Once we're done, we're going to set the chicken to marinate for 15 minutes. We're going to get our veggies ready. So that's what our beautiful chicken thighs looks like. We're going to set it aside. We're going to set it to the side. We're going to get our veggies ready. So for this recipe, I'm using pepper, fresh onion, fresh garlic, fresh ginger, fresh carrots, and potatoes. So those are all our veggies, including our fresh cherry tomatoes, parsley. We have some ginger. We have some thyme. We have all the fresh veggies here, so we're going to get our baking tray ready. So we're going to place all our veggies into the baking tray just like that. So we're going to season these beautiful veggies. We're going to add our garlic powder, all of the seasoning that we used before onto the chicken. We're going to add it onto these beautiful vegetables. So we're going to use our paprika seasoning, onion powder. You can add a little bit less seasoning for this, guys, because we're going to add the chicken onto the veggies. So we're going to use some olive oil to add some moisture. Make sure our veggies are nice and moist while it's baked in the oven. Then we're going to go in with some garlic powder, onion powder, paprika seasoning, onion powder, black pepper, fine sea salt. If you have regular table salt, you can use that as well for this recipe. You also want to add just a tablespoon of lemon juice. This is optional, okay? So once we add all these seasoning onto our veggies, we're going to massage the veggies. Make sure it's fully coated into the seasoning. You can also add some complete seasoning as well. This is optional, but if you want your veggies to be fully flavored, fully seasoned, I would suggest to add the complete seasoning, okay? We're just going to add a splash of our Italian seasoning to add a bit more flavor to these vegetables, and then we're going to massage very well just like that. Make sure the veggies are fully coated into the seasoning. And that's what our veggies looks like. It looks absolutely beautiful. We're going to place our chicken on top of the veggies. Then we're going to get our butter. So we're going to place the butter on top of the chicken. You can also place the butter on top of the veggies. Okay, then we're going to set this to bake for about 30 to 40 minutes. So once it's done, I'm going to show you guys the final results of this delicious garlic butter chicken thighs recipe. So after baking our chicken, this is what the results looks like. It came out absolutely beautiful. The chicken was nice and juicy, just the way I like it. I hope you guys enjoy watching this quick and easy video recipe. If you do, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I hope to see all my beautiful friends in my next video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Take care. Bye guys.